everybody, welcome to my video today, you guys. I am trying something new out. So here's the deal, you guys. As a content creator, when I am on here creating a card and sharing with you guys, and then I'm creating a blog post, I'm taking photos, I'm linking a supply list, I feel like sometimes what happens is you look at the card and you look at the supply list and you're really unsure of what to get. You feel like, well, do I need all of those supplies to make this one card? Like, maybe I just want to make the one card and I don't know, like, should I get everything? Because sometimes what I'm linking is all the tools I've used. So sometimes I'm linking, you know, my trimmer, punches I've used, dies I've used, and it can be really confusing. So I want to try something out with you guys because at the end of the day, I'm here to serve you guys and to help you guys. And I want you to be able to create beautiful cards. And we're going to look at these cards right here that are created with this stamp set. But I want to try something new out. And I hesitate to call this a weekly thing because I'm not sure if you guys are going to like it. I'm not sure if it's going to be helpful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try this for the rest of July and see what happens. So this is going to be my simple stamp set order of the week something. I am not sure exactly what to call it. So here's the deal, you guys. Here's the stamp set I used to create these cards, and we're going to look at them. I used this stamp set. I used these embellishments, and then I used some ink, okay? So my simple stamp set order of the week is going to work like this. If you guys want to make these cards right here that we're going to look at, you just need this stamp set, you need some embellishments, and then I'm sure you guys have inks on hand, right? We all have our inks on hand. So what I'm going to do is if you want this stamp set, you place an order for the stamp set and the embellishments, you get the card kit and an exclusive video. So there's a link down below in the YouTube description. There's a link on my website and there's a link under this video on Facebook. You click there. For $32, you're going to get the stamp set, this stamp set. This is the best, the en route that goes with the best route suite of product. It is a cling mount. So you press, you know, get now, buy now. You get the stamp set and you get these embellishments. Plus, you're going to get all of the supplies to make these cards. So here's this first one. You'll get envelopes. You'll get all the pieces plus an exclusive video for $32. There's this one right here. I used Blueberry Bushel and Pineapple Punch ink. So that's really easy. You just need 2 inks on hand. And then there's this one, okay? So the way this is gonna work, I'm thinking maybe I would really like to do this with lots of different sets in the catalog. So if you are a current customer, you're already purchasing from me, you're already placing orders. If you want the card kit, message me, and then if you place this onto your order, somehow we can work that out. If you are like, ordering is so confusing to me, but I really love, you know, making these things and I want to make the cards you're sharing, click the button. For $32, you'll get the stamp set, the embellishments, and the card kit to make 4 of these cards. I'm going to ship that to you. So I'm going to order everything on one order, and I'm going to ship the card kits and the stamp to you directly. So you have to give me a little bit of time. There's a little bit of a delay. That's why I'm going to work this out. And I really want to have a conversation with you guys if this is something helpful. Should I get a bunch of stamp sets out from the annual catalog and design card kits and do it this way so that you guys know, like, I'm getting a stamp set, I'm getting supplies to make a card, and I'm all finished. So let me know what your guys' thoughts are. So this is something that, like, honestly, I'm just diving in and like trying to figure out how I can help you guys create better, to get things and create with them. We all, I think, have, I know I do, I buy stuff and then I never create with it. I just bought the envelope punch board like 3 weeks ago. I've not even used it. I wanted it, I saw a project, but now I'm intimidated and I'm like, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to do it. So I'm going to throw this idea out there to you guys and let me know what you think. So here's how it's going to work. $32 and you'll get these items. There's a link everywhere that I've shared this, click the link through PayPal, purchase it now. This is only open to US. I have to limit it to US residents only. So then you will click that link, and then I will go ahead and close that in about a week. So by the end of July, it will close. I'll order everything and get everything sent to you. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll go through the cards one more time so you guys can see them. Maybe we'll zoom in and get rid of that glare. Thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. And please feel free to leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts. And if you have a stamp set that you're interested in me doing something similar like this, please let me know, because I really like this idea of having cards and a stamp set and you just make what's here. I think that that could be really amazing. So thank you guys so much. We'll see how this goes. I'll be back on Wednesday to share another creation with you guys, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.